Little Bird Takes a Bath. A story by Marisabina Russo. It was a rainy night in the city. Little Bird sat looking at the street below. He watched the umbrellas bobbing up and down. He listened to the taxi honking. He felt the thunder in his tiny wings. I don't like rain, said Little Bird. I don't like rain at all. Then he nestled down and closed his eyes and dreamed about tomorrow. In the morning, Little Bird woke up early. He looked out over the street below. No more umbrellas, no more honking, no more thunder. Rain gone away, sang Little Bird, who always started his day with a song. What a perfect day for a bath. And off he flew over rooftops, around lampposts, under awnings. Little Bird saw puddles everywhere. Some looked too big, some looked too small, some were already crowded with bathers. At last, Little Bird spotted the perfect puddle. He swooped out the sky and landed with a happy splash. My puddle, chirped Little Bird. But then something was bouncing straight at Little Bird. Oh no! He skittered out of the way. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back into his puddle. That was close. He cheeped. That was so close. Rub-a-dub-dub, sang Little Bird. But then something was flip-flop, flapping straight at Little Bird. Oh no! He flew out of the way faster than before. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back into his puddle. That was closer. He cheeped. That was even closer. Row, row, row your boat, sang Little Bird. But then something was coughing straight at Little Bird. Oh no! He flitted out of the way as fast as he could. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back into his puddle. Closest yet, he cheeped. The very closest yet. But Little Bird wasn't happy with his puddle anymore. Almost all the water had been splashed away. Little Bird trilled a sad song. No more baths today. No more baths today. Now he'd have to wait for another rainy night. And remember, Little Bird didn't like rain. He didn't like rain at all. Little Bird flapped his tiny wings and started to head home under awnings, around lampposts, over rooftops. But then, what was that? Shining, sparkling, and shimmering down below. It looked like a fountain, a splashy, swirly fountain just the right size for little bird. Little bird swooped out of the sky and landed with a happy splash. He shook and wiggled and fluttered his wings until he was as clean as he could be. As the little bird was ready to fly home, he saw the long shadows spreading across the sidewalks. He heard the loud buses rumbling down the streets. He smelled the sweet aromas rising from the kitchen windows. The sky was pink. There would be no rain tonight. The moon's pale face appeared between two buildings. As little bird landed on his ledge, "Good night, sweet sky, rock-a-bye," he sang. Because little bird always ended his day with a song. Then he nestled down and closed his eyes and dreamed about tomorrow.